Reed here with Century 21 Trophy Class, and today we are in Grand Rapids, Michigan at our new listing, 1340 Beechwood Street Northeast. This house sits on a quarter acre. It is a 2-bed, 1-bath, just over 1,300 square feet. You're a short walk from Huff Park, about 10 minutes to downtown Grand Rapids. Got a nice little outbuilding slash workshop out back. Really great central location for anyone in the Grand Rapids area. Be sure to check out the website for more information and feel free to reach out to me directly if this is something that you want to check out. 616-414-2953 or read at trophyclassrealestate.com.